So this is a new tool box opening. This is a Hitachi NR83A5. I was thinking of going with the pass load, but after some going back and forth, I decided on Hitachi just because it seems like this is the time-tested framing nail gun that, you know, most, I don't want to say all, but most framers have come to rely on, and it just seems to be like the standard, you know. So I was considering the pass load, but decided to go with Hitachi, so hopefully it all works out. I'm pretty sure it will. Manuals. So this is the NR83 with depth adjustment, the NR83A5S without, and then the NR83AA5. I guess there's like a different magazine. I've had a different framing nail gun before. I had a quarter cable. I didn't like it. I ended up getting rid of it. At the time, I didn't know much about framing guns or anything like that, so wow, this is beefy. This is actually a little bit heavy. I mean, not that you would, but I mean, just imagine holding this thing for a minute or so. But yeah, so this is going to be used later on, quite possibly for a fence project that I'm going to be building, and what you call it, a shed, storage shed that I'm going to be building later on. Let's see what else comes with it. Any sample nails? No? Man, you would think for what I paid for this that you would get let's see what comes with it. So no, I guess there's no nails that come with it, but the minimum is 2-inch and the max is 3 1/4 that you could use with this. I'm a little bit disappointed. I was hoping that it would come with front nails, at least to try it. So yeah, so Hitachi is now metabohpt HPT. I had seen these nailers labeled as metabohpt, and you know what? For some reason, call me crazy, and I know that they're supposed to be the same thing, just different labels. It's like saying, you know, Chevrolet and GMC, but for some reason I just feel like Hitachi is like the GMC and metabohpt is like the Chevrolet. You know, I just I don't know why, for some reason I felt like getting Hitachi would be better, or I would get better quality out of it. So no. Anyways, I'm gonna be running it off of that Porter cable donut compressor. At some point I will replace that, and I will get something else. But yeah, man, this is freaking badass.